1!
Sa kanilang 12-year wedding anniversary, muling nagpakasal ang celebrity couple at dancer na sila Joshua Zamora at Jopay Pagya. Naganap ang renewal of vows ng couple nitong June 6 sa Fernwood Gardens sa Tagaytay, na dinaluhan ng malalapit nilang kaibigan at mga mahal sa buhay. Matatandaan na unang ikinasal sila Joshua at Jopay noong June 6, 2014. Sa ngayon ay mayroon na silang dalawang anak na babae na sila Alessa and Ariana.
Blessing every moment of this union, guide them, strengthen them in unity. Let their marriage reflect your grace and glory. We ask this in Christ.
Loving you, not only during the easy days, but especially during the difficult ones. Pangako ko na patuloy kitang susuportahan, pakikinggan at sasamahan sa bawat sisi ng buhay natin. I promise to provide loving leadership for our family and to always seek God's wisdom as we continue this journey together. At o, kung ibibigay ni Lord, naalala mo yung 12 children na sinasabi natin noon? Ang sagot ko dyan ay, handa akong ipagdasal muna ng mabuti yun. Because sabi ko nga, God's wisdom muna, di ba? Most importantly, I promise that Jesus Christ will always remain the center of our marriage. Siya ang dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo ngayon. At siya rin ang dahilan na magiging gabay natin sa
So hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa wedding ni Jopay! Bakla! You're so pretty! Oh my God! I love it! Go! Congratulations! I love it. Kabog!
Mr. and Mrs. Joshua Marcelos and Giovanni Zamora!
my siblings, your siblings, and of course to all of you guys, thank you so much. Ayoko muna mag-thank you, magiging emotional na naman ako, no? We just want you guys to really enjoy the night and have fellowship with one another, ha? Kailangan mag-enjoy tayo, ha? Are you gonna enjoy? Yeah! Yeah! Parang mahina, ano? Isa pa? Are you gonna enjoy? Yeah! Lumakas yung dito, medyo gutom na, no?
Congratulations! Thank you! Best wishes!
1.
Mars, kung dalaginding, ba't nagpakasal ka na? Bata ka pa. Oo nga. Grabe. Minor ba? End of the world. Love you.
Anong